Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be opening up 25 packs of Pokemon card Sword and Shield, the 3-pack cards. So we'll get to it, hopefully pull something good. Alright, first card is a Yamper. We have a Grookey and a Galarian Linoone. Next pack. Looks like first card is a Mencino. Second card, holographic Quick Ball. Very nice. It's a reverse holo. And a Thwackey. Alright, next one. Looks like we have a Magmar, a holographic Hoot Hoot, a reverse holo, and an energy. Next one. We have a Scorprup. Nice, a holographic Cinderace and a energy. Let's see, next one. Another Yamper. Oh, holographic Rhyperior. Very nice. Next one has a Roselia, Joltik, and a Great Ball. Looks like we have a Pawniard. Oh, very nice. I got Delmise. Very nice card. Alrighty. Next one is a Baltoy, Chinchou, and a Metal Saucer. We have a Cottony, a holographic Grookey, and a Bishop. Getting some really good holographic pulls here. Got a Silly Cobra, a holographic Rillaboom, and a potion. Next one is a Croagunk, Silly Cobra, and an electric energy. Next one, another Sword and Shield. another Magwell, a Galarian Ponyta, and a Hitmonchan. Next pack. See, Blipbug, holographic Goldeen, a reverse holo, and a Rhydon. Alrighty. Got a Pinchin, holographic Sandaconda, and a Ferrothorn. Next one. Roselia, Ferroseed, and a Aurora Energy. Got Mudbratty, Trapeon, and a Galarian Stunkfish. Clobopus, Cottony, and a Drizzly. Got a Minccino again, Galarian Ponyta, and a Eligros. Another Chinchou. Got a Krabby and a Dottler. Yep. Got Croagunk, Druno, and a Hop trainer card. Looks like we got 6 more packs to go. Pawniard, Scorbunny, and an Energy. Scorbunny. Got a holographic Cloyster and a Pokegear trainer card. Got a Cottony, another Scorbunny, and another Stunfish. 2 more packs to go, guys. Got a Rhyhorn, Clobopus, and an Eligros. Last pack, guys. Hopefully we get something good. Got a Krabby. Oh, we got a Celebi. Very nice. And a Reboot. Very nice for the last pack. And that's how we are going to end this one, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.